excited. Ay nako guys, we got to be a bit quiet kasi Ben's still asleep and Daddy is still asleep. Parang akong my birthday. Ayan po. Ang aking box. Excited po ako this month. Yum. Parang Christmas. I feel like Christmas. Look at that. Oh my God. We're so blessed po. We're so blessed po. Look at that. Not just one, but two. Pag po, hindi po akin yan. Don't worry. I cannot afford po naman eh. Just go. This is not mine. Pero akin po ito isa. Just go, Lord. And of course, memory card to capture all the memories with my kids, my family, my loved ones, and friends. Eh, tamad po kasi ako mag-edit. So, tambak ang aking phone. It's full na. It's all full. Tambak. Kaya, I need a big one. It's 512 gigabyte. And it's A2V30 4K Samsung. So if you want to capture all your memories with your loved ones, ayan. And then I've got this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Apparently, this is a very good camera po sa mga vlogs. So I've got this one as a treat for myself. Pero syempre, thank you to my loving husband and very wonderful and caring husband. Yun po ang sponsor. He's my sponsor. Yeah, sponsor. Yeah, thank you. Ito po, dyan muna yan. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ngayon lang ako nagbukas ng ganito. So yan, if your kids ay, wala sa bahay, yung isa tulog pa, pagod ang Ben. He was giggling. Did you see yung videos po niya na they were playing outside with the box? Diyos ko, isang box lang at sarap ng giggle. They love the giggle. Kasi may playmate sila. Nandito si Kuya Christian yesterday. At yun, nakita ko, I saw Christian. Pagod din sa school. Parang si William, he did not want to go to school. And it's Monday. And then tomorrow is another day. Sino ba nagbabasa ng instruction? Ayan, para akong sure, pero I don't know how to set it up. I don't have any idea, so I have to wait for my husband to help me out. And of course, I'm gonna ring my friend. Siyempre, yung friend ko na magaling, si Madam Christina Buntis. At midwife appointment po siya. So, this must be the charger. So, siya po ang she'll come and help me, or I'll go to her, or she'll come to me. Bahala na. So, siya. May bag pa. Oh, pwede paglagyan ng toothbrush. Toothbrush doon kaya. Ay, wow. Diyos ko, parang delicate. Napaka-delicate. How do I do this? Napaka-delicate po. Kasi ang aking mga kids, oh my goodness, they will get this, especially Ben. Ayan. This one, what is this? Siguro this is the, well, anyway, I've got all the parts. Ang microphone, where's the mic? This is the charger siguro. Oh, ayan. And then, pinang bags niyan. Feeling organized. There's the microphone. Hello, mic test, mic test. Oh, kaya pala, I saw people with this funny little thing. Ito lang yung cover niya. Hello, andiyan ka na ba? Ayan. This is the actual microphone. So, clip natin dyan. When I was asked to talk to a friend's wedding, they gave me a little thing like, this is your microphones, and obviously I never seen one like before. It's like, hello. Okay. Oh, next. Ayun na po, guys. Thank you for joining me. This is part of my life na naman. My everyday life. Ayan. Yan natin patayuin. Okay. Naku, I need the magnet thing. The magnetic one. Ay, ito yung mga gamit ng mga celebrities. I saw, Alex Gonzaga wearing this DJI thing. Ayan. So, we have the strap. So, it's complete na, no? Nandito na lahat. Oh, yan. A charger, a stand. I don't know what this is. Probably, charger for the microphone, siguro. This is the charger of this. Oh, yan. Oh, kasha. Oh. So, that's the one. And a cover. And the mic. Dito ang mic. And ito yung para hindi siya noisy. Ito, this one. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Click. Ayan. It's a show. Ayan, guys. May tunog-tunog. Asan ang English? Hindi ko po ano ang France, Espanyol. Yo te amo con todo mi corazón. Pero asan ang English dyan? Yan. It's a show.